Hi, I'm Chris Small, and I'm here at 1806 Hanover Avenue in Richmond's Fan District. The 1800 block of Hanover Avenue has always been a really popular block, and this house is one of the most groomed, polished houses on the block. Thank you for taking a look. We'll go through and review most of the highlights of the house, and then if you have any questions, you can text or you can mess whatever through Facebook, and we'll try to answer your questions while we're live. If not, just direct message me and we'll get back to you. But thanks for taking a look. So come on in and take a look at the living room. It's got double black marble fireplaces with mahogany mantles and 2 gas fireplaces and really cool hanging light fixtures. And this is the dining room, which has some really special features. It's also got a fireplace with gas logs in it. It has an original built-in corner cupboard that's got great storage in it. And it has a really nice cross-threaded crystal chandelier, and the ceiling has been lacquered. It also has a door to the side deck. And this obviously is the kitchen. It's got great finishes. It's got granite countertops. It's got a geometric marble floor, which is made up of 3 different kinds of marble, and I think 2 different style finishes. Some are matte finished and some are glossy finish. It's got contemporary style cherry cabinets with tons of storage. All the appliances are top end. You've got a Sub-Zero refrigerator, Wolf range, a Miele dishwasher, built-in wine fridge, as well as other wine storage, and great storage above the cabinets for decorative stuff. This is the master bedroom. You've got fireplace in here, nice sitting area. This actually used to be 2 bedrooms and somebody pulled it together. You've got lots of closet space that, actually there might be a light. Lots of closet space here. It goes all along this wall. And then another big closet here for shoes and sweaters and nice built-ins. Great closet space for the fan district. And it's got a nice bay window overlooking Hanover Avenue, and then a marble bathroom and walk-in shower. And I'm going to run down the hall. Keep going. This is the upstairs hall. I think it has a really awesome fixture in here. It has another room here that is a bedroom. They use it as a study. And then down this hallway is another bedroom, which is, they use as a guest room that has built-ins. And there's a hall bathroom down there. There's also a second floor laundry room. Thank you for coming to take a look at 1806 Hanover Avenue. Let me know if you have any questions about this house. It's going on the market today, or like will be active like in minutes. You can call me at 804-350-0879 if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to arrange a tour. We can do a real tour, observing social distance, and we have hand sanitizer and Clorox wipes. Or if you like, I can do a virtual tour over FaceTime so that we can go through and look very carefully at the house, and so you can have a really good understanding of it. But please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you again for coming to see our virtual open house at 1806 Hanover Avenue.